What is one rule that was implemented at your school or work that backfired horribly? In my dorm, triggering the smoke fire alarm required you to give a safety presentation to everyone on your floor, a rule designed to deter pranksters from setting off the alarm. A guy on our floor burned a grilled cheese sandwich in the kitchenette, setting off the fire alarm. He thought that since it was a legitimate alarm and not a prank, he'd be excused from giving a presentation. Naturally, he was mistaken. So the next Wednesday night, the entire floor assembled, and we were treated to a 30-minute safety presentation on the dangers of grilled cheese sandwiches. It contained literally nothing about fire safety. It was all about choking hazards and cholesterol. Our RA was furious, but the student pointed out that the write-up he'd been given just said safety presentation. We didn't get any more presentations after that.